The ancient Egyptians were known for being innovative in their architecture, technology, and medicine. They invented things that are even used in modern days. One of the most notable things the ancient Egyptians developed was their own written language. They wrote in a series of pictures that explained stories and ideas. These pictures are called hieroglyphics. Archaeologists have been able to learn a lot about ancient Egyptian life through reading hieroglyphics. Because they had a written language, they needed something to write it on. The Egyptians are one of the first civilizations to use paper. They would make paper out of the inside of the papyrus plant. The Egyptians were known for being highly advanced in medicine. They invented their own medical tools. Through reading hieroglyphics, archaeologists have learned that they used knives, hooks, drills, forceps, scales, spoons, and saws. The medical doctors in ancient Egypt were able to perform small surgeries with these tools. They developed the yoke saddle for their chariot horses, which they later used for military purposes. They also were good at building ships and understood how to construct a sail. Ancient Egyptians also developed the first ideas on astronomy. They used the stars as a way to map religious ceremonies and festivals. If you think of Egypt, you probably think of huge pyramids. Those pyramids are around 3,000 years old. Pharaohs or kings of Egypt would have pyramids built so that when they died, they could have the pyramid as a tomb for their bodies. They would be buried with many riches, but sadly, before archaeologists could study the pyramids, tomb robbers broke in and stole the pharaoh's treasures. It has always impressed archaeologists that the pyramids were built so well. Each block is 2.5 tons, and the workers didn't have machinery like we do today to be able to put each stone in place. And each block was so precisely cut that you can't even put the tip of a knife between them. The pyramids show us what talented architects the ancient Egyptians were. Another recognizable monument in Egypt is the Great Sphinx. It's a giant statue that has the body of the lion and the head of a man. It's 66 feet tall. It's said that it was meant to guard the pyramids. Archaeologists believe that it was once painted bright colors, but over time, the paint has faded. You can still see a little bit of it on one of the ears.